Hello guys, in this lecture we are talking about F block elements. So F block elements means what? The last electron enters in n minus 2 F subshell or orbital is called F block element. The last electron enters in n minus 2 F subshell or orbital is called F block elements. So what is mean by n minus 2? If you considered Ns is my outermost shell, n minus 1d is my penultimate shell, and n minus 2f is my pre-penultimate shell. So F block elements outermost shell से इस शेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. If you considered n is equals to 6, then we have 6s2, 6 minus 1 that is your 5d, and 6 minus 2 that is your 4f. मतलब समझा. So the last electron enters in n minus 2 F subshell or orbital is called F block elements. What is your position? It is present in third group and 6 and 7 period. Third group, due to it is present in third group, the oxidation state of lanthanide and actinide is +3. It is present in bottom of the periodic table. It is classified into two series, lanthanide series and actinide series. So lanthanide series and actinide series horizontal period रहते हैं दो. The common oxidation state of both is your +3. Okay. Second and very important thing, that is your what? General electronic configuration. So if you consider this, so general electronic configuration is n minus 2 f 0 to 14, n minus 1 d 0 to 1, and n is 2. Means if you consider n is equal to 6, that is your lanthanide series, then आपको ये मिलेगा. बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या है बच्चों, n की वैल्यू आप 6 रख दो. 6 minus 2 that is your 4, 6 minus 1 5, 6 minus and 6 is 2 as it is. And actinide series की n equals to what? 7. So 7 minus 2 that is your 5f. So this is your what? Actinide series. So the last electron enters in n minus 2 F subshell and F subshell or orbital is called F block elements. Next thing which is very important, some properties of lanthanide series. So in lanthanide series, first it is starting from lanthanum and it is a prototype of lanthanide series. So what is mean by prototype? What is mean by prototype? So prototype means the properties of lanthanide, lanthanum and lanthanide series are same. That is why it is called as prototype. Prototype means the properties of lanthanum La and Ln. Ln is your what? Lanthanides means all elements, 14 elements are same. It is starting from 58 to 71. So total 14 electrons are present in a lanthanide series. हम लोग lanthanide series देख रहे हैं, actinide series के बारे में हम लोग डिस्कशन नहीं कर रहे अभी, ठीक है. So 57 to 71 are your lanthanide elements. These are the soft metals with silvery white color, good conductor of heat and electricity. Except promethium, all are non-radioactive in nature. So ये properties है, आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, ठीक है. Second and very important thing, that is your what? Electronic configuration. So if you considered electronic configuration, general electronic configuration मैंने डिस्कस किया था. So this is your what? 4f0 14, 5d 0 to 1 and 6s2. So this is my lanthanides general electronic configuration. Lanthanides present in 6 period and actinide present in 7 period. Lanthanide present in 6 period, that is Xe is what? Xenon. The atomic number of xenon is your what? 54. So 54 4f0, okay, because a 1 or a 2 that is your 3. 54 प्लस 3 दैट इज़ 57. सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो है वो अच्छे से ध्यान में रखना. डिपेंड्स ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में ये सब जो क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, पैरामैग्नेटिक, डायमैग्नेटिक, केमिकल ट्विंस, बेसिसिटी, ये जो लैंथेनाइड सीरीज़ की जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ है वो हम लोग देखेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर योर पेशेंस एंड योर अटेंशन एंड फॉर योर यूज़, फॉर योर सपोर्ट. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. थैंक यू अलॉट.